Hello students, this is Ratish Ranjan Misra again with a new topic, heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current is the effect due to which heat is produced in a conductor when electric current is passed through it. As we already know from the formula of potential that V equals W by Q. This is the formula for the electric potential at a point. V refers to potential, W is electrical work done, and Q is the amount of charge. So therefore W will be Q into V. Again, from I equals Q by T, we can write Q equals I into T. Similarly, from Ohm's law, we have V equals I R. So if we put both two relations, Q equals I into T and V equals I R into W equals Q into V, we will get I into T into I into R. It will be I square R T. Here if we assume that all the work done gets converted into heat energy, we can use heat energy produced as H equals I square RT. From the above relation, it is clear that H is directly proportional to I square, H is directly proportional to R, and H is proportional to T. I for current, R for resistance, and T for time for which an appliance gets operated. You should know here that this energy generated is in joules. It is also known as Joule's law of heating. H equals I square R T. There are so many applications of heating effect of electric current. We utilize this effect of electric current in electrical fuse. It is a safety device. When electric current overloads, the fuse wire gets melted and the electric circuit goes off. This effect is also utilized in several electrical devices such as electrical heater, toaster, electric iron, immersion rods, etc. It is also utilized in electric bulb, which has a filament. Filament gets heated when electric current is supplied through it. First it gets heated and after some time it starts to glow. So in this way, now you are able to say or able to know what is heating effect of electric current. This is a very short topic, and the next topics will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.